Properties of the different states of matter, part 4. So, after we discussed the different properties of solids, liquids, and gases, here is a summary of the properties of the different states of matter. The properties might include definite shape, can be easily compressed, relative density, can flow, expands to fill all available space. So in the definite shape, a solid has a definite shape, and liquids and gases don't have a definite shape. Can be easily compressed. A solid and a liquid cannot be compressed, and a gas can be compressed. Relative density. Solids and liquids have high density in comparison to gases that have very low densities. Relative density is the ratio of the density of a substance to a standard density, usually that of water. So you compare the density of the substance relative to water. Density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So the relative density is equal to the density of the substance over the density of water. And it has no unit. High relative density means the substance is more than the density of water, which is solids and sometimes liquids. Like mercury has a high relative density. Low relative density is the density of a substance is less than the density of water. There are liquids that have high relative density and liquids that have low relative density. Gases in general have low relative density. Going back to the property that states if a matter can flow, the solids cannot flow, liquids and gases can flow, expands to fill all available space. Neither solids nor liquids do have that property, but gases does expand to fill all available space.